Good morning, everyone. I'm coming to you to talk to you about a lesson that I will be teaching this coming weekend entitled Your Perception is Not Reality. Well, what does that mean? That means simply because you perceive something to be true does not make it true. It may feel true to you, but truth has to be based on the Word of God. I want to talk to you about carnality versus faith. Carnality simply means that you are operating only according to your five senses, which obviously is something that we have to do to negotiate this physical world. It becomes problematic when you are a believer and you need to learn how to operate in the spirit realm. Carnality does not allow you to operate in the spirit realm. You have to use faith. Faith is the avenue by which we as believers access the spiritual realm. So here's what's happening with a lot of believers. Let's talk about prayer just for a moment. We know that we want to pray and we want our prayers to be answered. Many prayers are not being answered simply because we don't understand the laws and the principles that operate as it relates to prayer. Prayer has to be prayed in faith. Too often we are praying prayers out of carnality, and a prayer prayed out of carnality will not give you access into the spirit realm. And with that, that means God cannot answer that prayer. If I pray a prayer through carnality, that prayer does not reach the spirit realm. Therefore, God cannot answer that prayer. Doesn't mean God doesn't want to answer it, but he cannot. God has already made it possible for us to access the spirit realm through faith. That's why every prayer that prayed has to be prayed in faith. Can everybody see that? Make sure that you tune in this weekend so that you can hear more about what I've talked about here so far as I teach the lesson, Your Perception is Not Reality.